all engines go came out, with bouncing locomotives jumping up the tracks. There are many places you can see them staying on the tracks and still being what they used to be. So we better not miss this train, 'cause it's time for Train Tales. The last day. Hello, sir. Oh, hello, Thomas. Due to safety precautions, the express has to be downloaded. Why? BR says so. Why? It seems to them that there aren't many passengers on our trains. But we still have many passengers. Yes, but for a little while the express is going to be on hold, so I guess Gordon will have a bit of a day off. I guess so. Anyways, it's about your branch line. Yes, sir. There needs to be done some maintenance, and I also got a little diesel to do maintenance trains for it. Hello, I'm Jordan. I'm going to be helping out with maintenance trains for your branch line. I'm smaller and lighter than you are. Goodbye. Wow. Yeah, I'm not so sure why so talking fast, but hey, if we'll get the job done, I guess it will work. Although his owner didn't really show me the engine, he just called me on the phone and just said I could have it. Don't know why though, but your branch anyways, even though it's going to be repaired, I don't think it might fully be repaired. Why not? They're thinking of turning it into a museum. But why? It doesn't seem to make any passengers to BR. But sir, you're ahead of BR. You made the diesel engine. Yes, but the diesel wasn't that well. My diesel wasn't that well. I thought using a car engine would work. But what BR did was much better and an improvement over my diesel. And it made improvements to the diesel that I made, like Mavis and Buddy. But I'm sorry, Thomas, but I don't think you'll be going back to your branch line. Then what am I going to do? BR said that you could do new commuter trains from Sodor to Bayonne-Furness. What? But I'm not built for that kind of duties. But they might. And here's the other thing: BR might scrap you. What? If they don't find any uses. So that's why I wanted you to do these commuter trains. What about Percy and Toby? I don't know what's going to happen to them. It's up to BR. But sir, I'll try to force myself through them, but I'm sorry. Well, Annie and Clarabelle, I guess this will be the last train together. Yes, Thomas. I'll miss you. Me too. Meanwhile, Gordon was resting in the yard, waiting for somebody to break down or such, until a shady diesel just came out of nowhere and was talking to the trucks. Hello, what do you want? I heard you're taking Thomas' train, right? Yeah, he knows not to mess with us, because we're troublesome. Oh, is that true? Because I heard Thomas saying that you trucks were nothing but troublesome trucks, that just are dirty rags that Thomas pulls. How dare he? We'll show Thomas. But how? Keep your brakes up on Gordon's Hill. He'll certainly learn their lesson. But isn't that like delaying the train? It'll teach Thomas a lesson, so you're technically doing something good. Wait, what's your... Where did he go? Who cares? Let's just do what the Diesel said, and then we can teach Thomas a lesson. Little did those engines know that Gordon was listening in. Is that right? I better get the main line for Thomas's trucks. And as soon as Thomas was soon coupled up to his trucks and soon made his journey to Mate's White. Well, I better do this. Gordon, what are you doing? You're not doing any trains. Gordon, what are you doing? Here comes the hill. Okay, 3, 2, 1. I can't do it. Don't worry, Thomas. I got your back. Gordon, I'm here to help you. How did you... It doesn't matter right now. What matters is we have to get the train on time. In a storm of rain, nothing they could do. It felt that the 2 engines were just stranded and couldn't have any hope to make it home. I guess I can't do it. I guess I'll just close my eyes. I can't do it. I can do it. Hooray! He didn't even say thank you. Not this time, Edward. I'm not going to not do it. What's happening? I'm doing it, said Thomas. Hooray! We're not losing these goods to the roads. Oh no. Yes, Gordon, not to the roads. You mean that Diesel was wrong? Wait, how do we... Oh, no. I think Sir Topham will be mad at us. Right. They soon made it to Mate's White. Sir Topham was waiting there. Thomas, Gordon, well done. Gordon, it was very rainy. How did you... I have a question for you, Gordon. What is that? It was very rainy. And you have a history of getting stuck on your hill. How did you manage to get above the hill and not get stuck? Well, let's just say, Edward had done something. Huh? Oh, anyways. Thomas, I've been having a few meetings with the BR. They say they don't like our system. So they say that they'll make us a heritage line. Hooray, sir! Hooray! I know, but we still have many services. So I said that we could still have our services. Hooray, sir! Hooray! Anyways, up to it, you two. And Gordon, you have your express to do. I always miss my express. And the 2 engines chucked off into the sunset.